got all my motherfucking jewelry on. You can try to fly like you want it. You don't want these bullets flying like some Kermit. Yo! We are now tuned. I didn't even record while I was there, honestly, because I had like, bro, I was like so like scared because the tuner, he had three scanners so he can scan my ECU, and the first two wasn't trying to connect to my ECU at all, so I got scared. I didn't record nothing. Gladly the last one did, and after that went to when these came back and the guy wasn't there anymore, so I just took the car and I left. His employee was there, but the actual tuner wasn't there because he was already done. So yeah, I ain't record nothing while I was there, bro. But I mean, the car's been holding up good, and I mean, I gotta tell you, this tune is definitely fucking worth it, bro. I kind of have like a stage 1 plus stage 1 tune, because I don't have injectors, but I do have, you know, obviously catless test pipe, and then 3-inch downpipe, of course, with the full exhaust. So it's kind of like he just sent the map over to his guy. I mean, he sent my stuff over to his guy, and I guess it's like a little bit of a custom map. So yeah, I'm like in the middle, stage 1 plus minus, something like that. So yeah, nah, kind of ran out of storage. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot I really had storage left on the SD card. I had to delete some stuff. And yes, my exhaust, I still didn't fix it, bruh. It's been way too hot, bruh. Like, I don't feel like being under the car in this hot weather. I'm not gonna lie. I keep saying I'm not gonna lie, bruh, and I keep saying, bruh, I don't know, bruh. What was that? Is that a beer? Slow ass. Chill. So yeah, I got my stage 1 plus minus tune done at DT Performance in Union, Jersey. I thought that was a 335, but I had a 328. But I got it done over there. Got it done pretty quick too. But like, bro, the stage 1 tune, whatever. The tune like really did freaking change the car. Like, it's more feelable on the highway. Like, if you're late about it, think about getting a stage 1 plus tune, like, bro, it's worth it. Even if it is just a stage 1 tune, bro, it is fucking worth it. It really is, because it just changes the whole character of the car. Make sure you have your mods though, so you can have some fun with it too. Like, oh my gosh, it sounds so good. It sounds so good. I'm about to go ahead and get some flybys for y'all and stuff. The 1.8T with this ECS exhaust and this catless fucking test pipe, bruh. This junk sound like a 4G, bruh. I could have definitely made that, but fuck it. He definitely ran that junk. Whoa! But bruh, it makes this car sound like a fucking 4G 63, bruh. Like, it's like a. That Mustang sounded good. Wow. But it kind of sounds like it's like a 4G mixed with a 4B11. Like, I love. Man, 1.8T's really like took my heart now. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, I'm dead. That extra turbo noise is so weird. It's just like. I'm missing all the lights right now. That stuff. And finally, look, there's no check engine light. There's no check engine light until my car runs the evap test on itself. The leak detection pump, because my leak detection pump is poop. It's bad. So yeah, I definitely do gotta change that leak detection pump. And telling you, I ain't gotta press on it anymore for this junk to start cooking, bro. Like, she just climbs up, no problem at all. love it. And I love how it sounds. So I didn't get pops in. Oh my gosh, this keeps happening. Like, I just did this 2 times in a row. I thought that was a GTR. That's a freaking awesome. So I didn't get the pops and bangs tune because the tuner kind of didn't want to grenade my motor. So yeah, no pops and bangs. I'm like, I was kind of sad, but then it's like whatever, because like supposedly pops and bang tune kind of defeats your horsepower a little bit. So I'm like, whatever. Still get to be faster, but just, you know, no pops and bangs, sadly. So it's all right though. It's all good in the hood. But I gotta tell you though, this stage 1 tune is definitely definitely worth it. The most where you're gonna feel it is on the highway and partial throttle. I don't know if it's the same for all tunes, but at least for mine, at least, you know, you're gonna feel it partial throttle and on the highway, and you're definitely gonna feel it in 2nd gear. You're gonna feel a difference in 2nd gear, and you're gonna feel a difference in 4th gear, because it used to, like, you know, pull 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and then fall off at 4th gear, but now it, like, literally keeps pulling on 4th gear. Like, there's no fall off point until like 100 now. Like, seriously, it does not fall off to like 100. And the delivery of the boost is a lot better now too. Like, it's like smoother, but hits you hard. Like, you know, like your head actually like starts pulling itself back, you know. So yeah, but we're about to go ahead and get this what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Ah, stop one. Alright, come on. Look at some 2nd gear action. You know what I'm saying? You ready? After the turn? Let's get it. Sheesh. Looking good. We took my headlights on, I forgot. You dead forgot. The junks were off. Nah, bro. Junks so good. It's still the same to where, like, you have to be like mid RPM to like actually like but nah, yeah, still, I never saw that field, bro. I want to go there. I never saw that field right there. But it's still the same to where, like, you kind of have to like be like, cause like, okay, so how the 1.8T is, I mean, obviously you're watching this, obviously you all know it has good mid-range, but that's it. Like below like 3,000, it's dead, and above like 5, it's okay. So like, to actually feel it, you still gotta be like, you know, already at like, I'll say like 2,500, and then step on it, and then that's when you, like, you know, like right around here, because then it comes on crazy. Like, you know, the switchover, like the switchovers are like 3,500, and then you just going back after that. Oh my gosh, bro. This car, like, being that I got it like handled and good now, and just all I really wanted was stage 1 tune now. Like, honestly, that's all I wanted for this car, stage 1 and stage 1 plus tune. Because I mean, it's a daily, and that's all I really needed to have, you know, fun. I wanted this car to handle over everything. So I have the H&R Lowering Springs already. I'm obviously gonna get, you know, the 034 Motorsport sway bar, and links. Of course, that's coming in the future. I already have all the parts just cataloged, just waiting. So yeah, but I get to these flybys and this good quiet POV footage. Hope y'all enjoy.